For legal eagles exclusively. Grammar for legal eagles. Adjectives. Adjectives are usually easy to spot in English. They stand before nouns and they describe nouns. Look at Article 77.1 of the Polish Commercial and Partnerships Code, later called CCC. Article 77.1. The liquidators shall close the day-to-day operations of the partnership, execute the receivables, perform the obligations and liquidate the assets of the partnership. New business may be undertaken only if this is indispensable for the closing of the current business. This article contains 4 adjectives: day-to-day, new, indispensable, and current. Some adjectives are regular, that is, they are a single word that always acts as an adjective, as above: new, indispensable, current. Whereas some adjectives are compound words, that is, they are created from several other words, not adjectives, joined with a hyphen, as above: day-to-day operations. As a rule, adjectives stand before nouns in a sentence in English. Hence, words become adjectives just because they are placed before a noun in a sentence. For instance, shareholders meeting. Here, shareholders serves as an adjective, which describes the noun meeting. Please note that an apostrophe is not necessary anymore here. The traditional format of the phrase shareholders apostrophe meeting is rarely used these days. Note the difference in translation in the following example. Table leg equals noga stołowa. Table's leg equals noga stołu. As a lawyer, you will be creating a lot of adjectives for your convenience in your legal drafting. For instance, let's say you want to buy back some shares and make the demand in this respect. Żądania odkupu akcji. Article 516, Index 1.3 CCC uses an adjective buyback. A share certificate shall be attached to the buyback demand. To create this adjective, a tiny mark called hyphen or dash was needed. Adjectives created with a hyphen are referred to as compound adjectives. Let's look at how compound adjectives are created. An enterprise is owned by the state. It is a state-owned enterprise. You demand to buy back the shares. It is a buyback demand. A liquidator is appointed by a court. It is a court-appointed liquidator. You pay up the shares. It is paid up shares. The company was wound up. It is a wound up company. For this price, you can take over a company. It is a takeover price. A compound adjective may be created with more than 2 hyphenated words. Look at this sentence. The company undertakes actions out of court, and the respective hyphenated adjective. Out of court actions undertaken by the company. Please note, we use not with verbs, we use non with nouns or adjectives. Remember, when words are used in compound adjectives, they must be used in a singular form. Have a look at these examples. A payment deadline, which is 10 days. A 10-day payment deadline. A period which lasts 2 weeks. A 2-week period. For Legal Eagles, exclusively. Thank you.